Hi, it's Alison from Bag Ladybird Learn to Sew and welcome. Today I am here with another fabric haul video for you. So with today's fabric haul I have got some Ramie, I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. It's an ethically produced natural fibre made from nettle plants. So it's something that I have worked with in the past before. It's got a very similar sort of handle and feel to linen. And I've ordered this to make the sew along that we're doing this month, which is the Sew Liberated matcha top. So the Sew Liberated matcha top is the sew along, and this is the fabric that I have purchased to make my matcha top. It's from selvedgebolts.com is the website that this has been ordered from, and it's a fab website. All the fabrics have really abstract or descriptive names. So this is called Please Look Closer Ramie, and I have ordered 2.5 meters. It was £14 a meter, so it's not cheap fabric, and the shipping on this was £4.95. And we can see actually on the parcel the postage cost was £4.68 for first class signed for. So the price they paid for the postage, that I paid for the postage, will have just covered the post and packaging. So let's open up this little parcel. So, getting in here, using paper scissors of course, we do not want to damage our fabric scissors. We've got sustainable source, carbon neutral, fully recyclable, made from sugarcane wrapping. Oh, it's blue. We've got a nice little Selvedge Bolts sticker. Let's open up the tissue. I am excited about this because this is going to make a really lovely blouse. I am not a fabric addict. I am investing in assets. And you've got a little fabric care guide here. It says, you've bought some fabric. That's good. Your fabric collection is looking more beautiful by the day. Now it's time to do some sewing to make room for more fabric, but first you need to prepare your fabric for the all-important sewing project. We advise you to pre-wash or pre-shrink fabric before bringing out your cutting weapons. Fabric will sometimes shrink when washed for the first time post-production, so it's always a good idea to wash it before cutting. This way all shrinking occurs before you cut out your fabric to the exact size you want. Use the information in the diagram as a guide only. We strongly recommend that you test out a small piece of fabric with your chosen pre-wash method. Selvedge Bolts, they only sell silk, linen, cotton, rayon and tencel. That's alike as they sell Ramie. Okay, so this Ramie, let's have a look at this here. It is really soft and lightweight, really floaty fabric. Because it is natural fibres, it will feel so nice against the skin. It's going to be lovely on a warm day like today, and that's what I am planning to make it for. A real summery. I'm going to make a sleeveless version of the matcha top, and this just feels so nice. So there's a nice softness to it. It's obviously red and white. It's just really lovely drape to it, and it's going to be absolutely perfect. It'll just feel so summery wearing this next to your skin. Okay, so this is going to be pre-washed now, ready for me to make up into my match top. If you'd like to see more, you can join the Love and Stitches club, and within the Love and Stitches club we do a sew along. And you can sew along with us. It is a recorded sew along in bite-sized pieces, so you can jump in and do what you need as you need to do it. Within the Love and Stitches Club, I help new and returning sewists who have made garments in the past that they've found to be so-so to build their skills and create clothes that get them compliments. Oh yes, I am excited. Do, 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 do.